In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the filter function to return only rows that meet your conditions with an example filtering numbers greater than 50. The filter function is perfect when you want to pull out just the data that matters and hide the rest. At a high level, it looks through a range of cells, checks each one against the conditions you set, and returns only the rows that pass every condition. Think of it as a live dynamic sieve for your data. Here's the idea behind the syntax you'll use: filter, then an opening parenthesis, the range you want to return, and then one or more conditions that evaluate to true or false. The range is simply the set of cells you want back in your results. The conditions are tests, comparisons like greater than 50, that tell the function which entries should be included. If you add more than one condition, all of them must be true for a row to appear in the output. Let's walk through a concrete example. Imagine your numbers are listed in column A from A2 down to A10. Click the cell where you want the filtered list to appear. This can be anywhere with enough empty space below it. Now type equals filter, open parenthesis, A2 to A10 as the range, then a comma, and A2 to A10 greater than 50 as the condition, then close the parenthesis. When you press enter, your sheet will instantly display only the numbers from that range that are greater than 50. The results will spill down into the cells beneath your formula automatically, so make sure those cells are clear. If you see a spill error, it usually means something is blocking the output. Just clear or move the content below. A couple of notes to keep your results accurate. The comparison greater than 50 will include numbers like 51, 60, or 200, and exclude 50 or anything lower. If a number is stored as text, it might not pass the comparison, so check your data types if something looks off. Also, filter is dynamic. If the source values in A2 through A10 change, your filtered list updates right away. Finally, remember that filter works by evaluating each condition as true or false. You can build powerful filters by combining conditions, and filter will only return rows that satisfy them all. That's the core idea. Specify the range